Right, I've already opened this box, and in the box is a second box, and it's filled with a lot of material. And inside the material, under this, comes something that looks very promising. Seems to be Märklin stuff. So this is actually very unexpected. So this is the building set, and let's see whether this has been built or not. Very interested. Oh, it has been assembled, so it's not an unassembled kit, but still it's a very nice set, and anybody who wants, of course, will reassemble this if they want. It's a nice kit to have. So these are two Märklin freight wagons, the assembled kits. I don't think they still do these kits, but these were certainly two very nice kits and very well assembled. So, but what else do we have here? I'll just move this box to the side now and take everything else out, because I don't really know what's inside. So there seems to be, oh dear, that's much better than expected, because it seems that, okay, we have boxes, a lot of empty Märklin boxes here. They seem to be in a great condition, absolutely amazing. What is it? Not all the labels are here. So we have a 346/2 car, a 417, that's the Swiss one, and a 346, I don't know which one this is. Certainly these vintage boxes are very nice and thought after. It's a good thing to have. And a box for two, a 4027 and a 4029. Now what is in these boxes? I assume these are just the trains. Oh, here we go. So that's a 346 3J. That's an old one from the 50s. A really nice, beautiful condition. The roof has no scratches on this chassis. Absolutely amazing, this one. Let's see what else we've got. So here we've got that's a bit a shorter one. Oh, lovely. A 346/1. Just a little bit of defect here and there, but also in early version. It seems to be in really good condition. Beautiful. Let's see what else we find. Oh, that's the second one. Oh my goodness, that's really like hitting the jackpot. Beautiful. They're in an absolute amazing condition. No scratches anywhere. To make sure I don't scratch them. I hate myself for not being careful with these. Okay, and that's the Swiss carriage car. The postman for Swiss. It's got these nice doors which you can open and close. Again, the roof has no marks apart here from on the vent, a little bit something. All doors intact. Boogies look great. There's no rust on this one. They're near mint, I would say. And this one, that's a bit of one of a newer car. So that's one of the ones which goes with the green box here. I think that's this one here, which goes with this box. So that's the 429. And that's a really nice car as well. I'll just put this here so they go together. And this one seems to be the other group one which goes. This is the international sleeping coach. Beautiful coaches. It is literally in near mint condition as well. Someone has really looked after these trains very well. Beautiful, and comes this box here. Absolute great catch for any Märklin fan. And I think there should be one more. Last but not least, what have we got here? Oh, a Metro, DSG Metropa. It's a restaurant coach. That's again an earlier one. They're a bit shorter than the later ones, but this as well in an absolutely amazing condition. Oh, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Just to recap here, I need 2 hands to open the box, really. Can't get it out. Here we go. The Bordeaux van here, Bausatz, and here the Feinkohlestaub one, the brown Kohlestaub, Bausatz, both in great condition. All the boxes, so that's certainly an amazing catch. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and please leave in the comments what you think about it.